Setting up the 3D gradebook is simple. When you first log in, there's a set of setup instructions, and if you'll follow these instructions in order, setting up your gradebook will be a piece of cake. So the first thing that we need to do is define the standards, then we create courses, then we add students to those courses, we define marking periods, and we create assignments. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come over here and we're going to click on Manage Standards. Here you need to add a standards group first. So I teach Honors English 10. We're going to click on that, click Add. Then you click on the new group that you've created, and you can create as many categories for that as you want, and you can sort them in any order that you want. We'll just create two. We'll create a writing one as well. And then you come over here and click Add Standard, and you can add standards to your newly created categories. So we're going to do R1, and we're going to call this I can read and comprehend what I read, or something similar. Essential standard, this is for your PLCs. If you click this, this will show up on your PLC screen. If you don't have the PLC enabled, you can still click that. It will bold your essential standards so that you can keep track of the standards that you really want to track. So we'll go ahead and click that. Click Add Standard. You can see it's bold. And there's our newly created standard. We're going to add one more to the writing category. We'll call it W1. We'll say I can write a thesis statement. And we'll go ahead and add that. Alright, so here's our new standards that we've created. We'll go back to the dashboard. Second step is to create a course and then add students to that. So we'll click on the Manage Courses, add a course. We're going to call it Honors 10. We're going to do section first period. You can name those whatever you want. And then we're going to add our newly created standards that we just created. If you didn't add the standards first, you added the courses first, you can go add standards and then come back here and edit this. So we're going to add our course. Alright, so we have a course now. Now we're going to add students. Same process. Click on the students. We're going to add student here. There's a form. We'll add me, Jeffrey Wingate. Jeff at 3dgradebook.com. My mom's name is Jan. Her email is jan@mom.com, and her phone number is 555-555-555. Okay. Alright, so we add that student. The parent information is optional. You don't have to add it, but that's how you would do it. On any of these screens, if you wish to edit, you go ahead and click Edit, and it'll make your table editable, so you can go and fix things if you need to. Alright, so now we've added standards, we've added courses, we've added students. The last thing, or the last two things that we need to do now are add a marking period. You can see our instructions disappeared because we now have a course. So we need to define a marking period. This defaults to all year. If you leave it on all year, it'll just show you all the assignments that you put in the 3D gradebook. If you want to split them up by marking period, then we need to add a marking period. We're going to add first quarter. We're going to say that it starts August 20th and goes to October 26th. So we're going to add that. Now we're going to come over here and switch our current marking period to first quarter. At any time, if you want to see your students' progress for all year, you want to see all their assignments, you want to see all their standard scores, you want to see all those views, go over here and click this back to all year, and it will combine your marking periods into one so that you can see the whole year put together. Alright, so now we have marking periods. Now we go to our newly created course and we click on assignments, and here we can add our assignments. Same process as before. Add an assignment. We'll call it test assignment 1. We'll make it due today. Due dates are just there for ordering your assignments. They don't have to fall within the marking period that you've created. We select the standards that we want to have. You can select multiple standards by using control and click. Create a description of the assignment. You can put a link to the assignment and call this like assignment materials or whatever you want your students to be able to see. Click add assignment. There it appears. There's our standards. There's our link. You can click on this. You can edit it. Everything, marking period, due date, everything's editable. Alright, so now the 3D gradebook is set up. You can go and you can use all these views. You can use the class summary. You'll see that that assignment's missing. You can see that you've assessed both assignments and everything should be working. You can go here and put in your assignment scores and everything is set. Hopefully you found this helpful.